Are you ready to transform uncertainty into infinite possibility? Arthurly is a global technology consultancy specializing in building partnerships with progressive clients to deliver game-changing digital transformations. If you want to unlock value, delight customers, and drive performance, whether it's a cloud, digital, or agile transformation, we can help you to develop a vision and strategy to deliver rapid results using lean and agile principles. We'll improve your ability to exploit value by responding to change so you can stay competitive. Founded in 2018, Arthurly uses design thinking and a data-driven approach towards product innovation to deliver incredible experiences for our clients and their customers. Our roots are in user experience design, software engineering, and the agile delivery of enterprise software and digital products, placing us at the forefront of new industry innovations. We provide a wealth of experience in business agility and agile operations. With our industry-leading software engineering and delivery services, we are always evolving our approach so you can adapt to changing circumstances and achieve engineering excellence. We deliver adaptive technology platforms and design evolutionary architectures that accelerate your business strategy and maximize the potential of your existing technology assets. Arthurly exists to create truly empowering work environments, deliver powerful technology solutions, and design beautiful yet simple customer experiences with brave, ethical, and ambitious partners. Through our extensive talent network, we can spin up cross-functional delivery teams capable of making an immediate impact. Our values are deeply ingrained in our people and work. This is what sets us apart. If you're ready to take your business into the future, get in touch with Arthurly and we'll help you to make your mark on the world.